This is the full workflow, start to finish. If you follow this, you won't struggle abroad. Now, before travel, right, check phone compatibility, XS or newer, right, for iPhones. Buy eSIM, install eSIM, label SIMs clearly. At the airport, keep airplane mode on, right, and do not enable Airalo data yet. After landing, turn airplane mode off, right? Enable Airalo eSIM, turn on mobile data here or cellular data. Disable roaming on your main SIM. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. During your trip, use Airalo for data, right? Use main SIM for calls if needed. Monitor data usage, top up if required. Before you do that, all of that, you make sure that you selected your plan, right, for traveling. If you're going to France, make sure to select the right plan. 7 days, 15 days, 40 days, up to 45 days. Okay. Now, after trip, disable Airalo eSIM, right, and keep it for future trips, or you can delete it. If you don't know how to install the eSIM, go ahead to the settings, cellular, scroll a bit down and hit add eSIM from here. Okay. Now, yeah, no cancellation needed, no subscription exists. So disable Airalo eSIM, keep it for future updates, right? And Airalo turns mobile data into a tool, not a headache. Travel smarter, stay connected, and never fear roaming bills again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.